Well, good afternoon, Susan. Those Lancaster County leaders did indeed give us a little bit of a better picture of how COVID-19 is impacting Lancaster County. Dr. Michael Ripchinsky, who's with Lancaster General Health, shared some of the data that he's been looking at as he looks at the COVID-19 patients. He says right now Lancaster General Health is seeing between 50 and 80 new cases each day. He said that's actually good news because the number of cases, new cases, is slowing across the county. He also took a little bit of a closer look at who exactly is being impacted by COVID-19. One interesting detail he shared, 8 out of 10 of the COVID-19 deaths across Lancaster County have been residents of long-term care or nursing home facilities. And he says many of those people had underlying conditions. He also added that it is difficult to stop the spread of the coronavirus once it gets into either a long-term facility or a nursing home. But Ripchinsky added there is more good news. Lancaster General Health is currently working on additional treatments for COVID-19 patients.
Lancaster General Hospital is very close to announcing the availability of convalescent plasma therapy. In this type of therapy, plasma from people who have recovered from an infection is then used to treat the people who are severely infected with it. The donor's plasma contains antibodies that can potentially help recipients fight off the infection. We plan to have additional details available soon on this therapy.
The federal coronavirus task.
Now, we have heard of other hospitals in the Susquehanna Valley also using this plasma therapy. State Representative Lloyd Smucker also on hand today. He said he is understanding the many frustrations he's hearing from Pennsylvanians, but he wanted to say he believes that the governor is doing a good job, a difficult job, but he's making decisions that he believes will keep Pennsylvanians safe. Although Representative Smucker did say that he is frustrated that Wolf is not following federal guidelines when it comes to reopening some businesses across the Susquehanna Valley and the state. He said his top priority is keeping people safe, but he also wants to see the economy running again. In Lancaster, Ann Shannon, WGAL News 8.